Trezor just announced the Freedom Edition series of the Trezor Safe 5 wallet, limited to only 2100 copies. I was lucky enough to get my hands on one of these limited edition wallets a few days early. So let's unbox it. Trezor launches limited Freedom Edition wallet as part of its financial sovereignty campaign. The official sales of this limited edition Trezor Safe 5 wallet start on January 30th. Priced at $169, the same as the standard Trezor Safe 5, this limited edition also supports a meaningful cause. For every device sold, $10 will be donated to Trezor Academy, a global educational initiative that helps individuals in underserved regions access Bitcoin education and achieve financial independence. Here's the package I received from Trezor. This is my copy of the Freedom Edition Safe 5 wallet in its exclusive Liberty bronze color. The box has a sleek new design with Freedom Edition displayed on the top. On the sides you'll find phrases like "take control" and "independence isn't given, it's taken," keeping with the Freedom theme. When you open the box, the first thing you'll see is this statement: "And so I reclaim my freedom to truly own, to freely transact. Today I redeclare my independence." Inside you'll find the Get Started envelope. Trezor has slightly changed the design. It has Get Started in black letters, while the original Safe 5 has white letters. Inside the envelope you'll find a Get Started leaflet, 2 backup cards, and a set of Liberty-themed Trezor stickers that look really awesome. The wallet comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable. And this is my Trezor Safe 5 Freedom Edition wallet. Each wallet is uniquely numbered. My wallet's number is 27 out of 2100. If you guys want to get one for yourself, use my link in the description. I'll receive a small commission from each sale. Thanks for supporting my channel. The Freedom Edition Safe 5 includes all the features of the original Safe 5 wallet. On the side, the Trezor Safe 5 has a slot for a microSD card, which allows you to further enhance security by encrypting your PIN with a secret stored on the card. The screen is made of nearly bulletproof Gorilla Glass covered with a screen protector, and the USB-C port is sealed with holographic security tape. The cool improvement though is that this tape almost doesn't leave any marks or residue. The wallet looks much cleaner after the tape is removed. Once the wallet is connected, you'll see the message "Get started with your Trezor" at trezor.io/start. I recently published the full step-by-step guide on my channel, and I'll also leave the link in the description. Thanks for watching this video. As always, check out the CryptoSnake deals page for the best discounts on crypto products and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you later.
I'ma keep it a stack. People doubted my talent, really just wanted me to react. Perseverance ain't what I lack. Haters see you've got potential, then they've got something against you. Always have an opinion and hoping that it offends you.